Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to learn how to find the additive inverse of a number. I have already uploaded a video on how to find the additive inverse. In this video we are going to solve few examples on how to find the additive inverse. So additive inverse of a number is a number which when added to the number gives the result as 0. For example, the additive inverse of 1 will be -1 cause when we add -1 to 1 we'll get the result as 1 minus 1 which is equal to 0. So additive inverse of a number is a number which when added to the number gives the result as 0. Or in short, we can say that to find the additive inverse of any number, we need to add the same number to it with the opposite sign. For example, the additive inverse of 2 by 8 will be -2 by 8, cause when we add -2 by 8 to +2 by 8, we'll get the result as 0. Next is 20. The additive inverse of 20 is -20. Now the next number is -6 by -5. Here we see that we have negative sign in numerator and denominator. So we can simplify this fraction and can write it as -1 times 6 divided by -1 times 5 in the denominator. So this -1 and -1 gets cancelled. You can even cancel out the negative sign directly, but I'm showing you one more step so that it is easily understandable. So this will now become 6 by 5. Now we need to find the additive inverse of 6 by 5, which is equal to -6 by 5. Now the next number is a mixed fraction. For finding the additive inverse of a mixed fraction, we need to first convert it into an improper fraction. So 4 times 1 is 4 plus 3, which is 7. So this mixed fraction will be -7 by 4 as improper fraction. Now the additive inverse of -7 by 4 will be +7 by 4, cause when we add +7 by 4 to -7 by 4, we'll get the result as 0. The next number is 9 by -16. Whether it is in the denominator or in the numerator, the negative sign will represent the sign of the whole number. So this will be -19 by 16, and the additive inverse of this negative number will be +19 by 16. The next number is -1 by 2. The additive inverse of this -1 by 2 will be +1 by 2. Next is -5 by 9, and the additive inverse will be +5 by 9 or +5 by 9. The next number is 0 by 3. Now when we solve this 0 by 3, we'll get the result as 0, and the additive inverse of 0 is 0. Cause when we add 0 to 0, we'll get the result as 0. So 0 is the only exception. 0 is the only number whose additive inverse is number itself. The next number is 2 by -9. So this will be -2 by 9, and the additive inverse will be 2 by 9. Last one is -301. Additive inverse will be 301, cause when we add 301 to -301, we'll get the result as 0. So this is how you can find the additive inverse of any number easily. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.